In this video, I show you how to earn money online using a free Google trick, which is one of the easiest ways to make money from home. How to do it, we're about to find out. This is how to make money online from a free Google trick. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notifications on. But first, before we get into it, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get into the video. In this video, I'll explain how you can set up this passive income stream by leveraging a simple Google trick and one click of a button using this absolutely free software. And guess what? You don't need to invest any money to start this. You do not need to have your own website, and this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Now, right before I explain to you how you can do this, comment down below I am from which country, and tell me which country are you guys watching from. So in the future, I can make sure that the videos that I release and the methods that I show you can actually work in your countries. Now let us get started. So let's begin with step number 1, which is going over to news.google.com, and that's going to be taking us to Google News, which is a news aggregator developed by Google, where you can find all of the latest news from all around the world. And here on the left hand side, you can see all of these different categories, including your country, what's happening in the world, your local news, and you also have business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. If you go over to business right here, that's going to give you all of the latest business news, either in your specific country or all around the world. Now, moving on to step number 2, every couple of hours, these news will update and new articles will take place on specific topics, which in this case, that's going to be business. As you can see right here, this one was posted 1 hour ago. This one is slightly older than the first one, and so on and so forth. So you can open any of these articles and use them to make money online. So for example, let's use this one right here. Now all we have to do is just click this specific article, and that's going to take us to this page. So as you can see, this is the entire article that you can use to make money, which I will be explaining exactly how. So for this step, I want you to copy this article, and for the sake of this video, I'm just going to copy 2 sentences or 3 of this article just to show you an example of how this actually works and how you can make money from these articles on Google News. Now moving on to step number 3, all you need to do is go over to Quillbot.com. Quillbot.com is a free online tool that will rewrite those articles professionally for you, so you can use them free of charge to make money online again and again. So what you will need to do is paste your article right here and click paraphrase, and it's going to rewrite the entire article in a matter of seconds. The best part is it's all done for you and for absolutely free. So as you can see here on the left hand side, we have the original article, and on the right hand side we have the rephrased article, which is now unique and ready to be used. Now I can copy this rephrased article with one click of a button, so I can use it to make money online. And you can do the same thing for all of these articles from different categories that are available in Google News, which are coming in every couple of hours. Like, you have thousands and thousands of different articles that are going to be coming in, and each of these articles can make you money again and again. And later in the video, I will be giving you free bonuses that will allow you to make even more money, so stay tuned for that. Now moving on to step number 4, there are 2 different ways you can make money with those rephrased articles. The first one is not going to make you that much, but the second one can make you thousands of dollars. In fact, it actually made tens of thousands of dollars to lots of people from all over the world. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, which I've put a lot of time and energy and effort on, please give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Now the first and the least paying option is to use Textbroker.com. Textbroker.com is working with some massive companies such as Yoast, Staples, BPay, and so on and so forth. This platform will pay you for writing these articles. Now of course you won't have to write those articles yourself, because as I showed you before, you can get them written for you for absolutely free, and only with one click of a button by simply using a Google trick to make money online. So all you need to do is go over to Textbroker.com and click on Write Content right here. And that's going to take you over to the next page where you can learn more about making money by writing articles for Textbroker actually is. It's absolutely free to register with this website and start making money by writing different articles today. Now, if you go to the payments section right here and click on more information, you will be able to calculate how much money you will be making. As you can see, for 1,000 words, you can literally be making $50. And you can find a lot of articles that are 1,000 words long on Google News. So the longer the article is, the higher the earnings. If your article is longer and better, you will be making more money. So let's say for 12,000 words, you will be making up to $600. And the best part is you can do it over and over again. But just keep in mind that this is not going to make you that much money compared to the second way of making money with free articles. To get started with Textbroker, just click on the free author registration right here, create an absolutely free account, and start making money with those articles. And the second way you can make money from those free articles is by leveraging the power of freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer, Guru.com, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of different freelancing websites which you can use, not just Fiverr, because if you use more of them, you'll be able to make a lot more money. So if you sell on 10 different freelancing websites, you can earn 10 times your earnings. But if you sell just on one website, that's only one way to make money from those articles. So if you go over to Fiverr.com, for example, and search for article writing, that's going to show you all of these different people that are making money by writing simple articles. But the thing is, they are doing it the hard way because they are doing it themselves, and that's why it takes them a lot more time and effort to write those articles. And customers just don't like that. I mean, no one likes to wait, right? And since you can deliver those articles almost instantly, you will be 10 steps ahead of all of your competition. And that way you'll learn to earn more money compared to them. And you can see that it actually works. Like this person is providing this service starting from $35 and got 289 sales, which is over $10,000 in profit. This person is charging $40 and so on and so forth. All of these people are making tens of thousands of dollars using this actual method. So what you can do is actually start using Textbroker to sell your articles on, and also use freelancing websites to start selling your articles. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.